What if your WordPress site gets modified and you don't even notice it? In this video, I'll show you how CloudRaptor helps protect your WordPress application by detecting unauthorized changes and restoring core files safely. Start by going to Applications from your dashboard. Select your WordPress application, then click on the Security tab. Here, you'll find the WordPress Core Integrity tool. Click on Run Scan to start the integrity check. CloudRaptor will compare your WordPress core files against official checksums from WordPress.org. This helps detect if any core files have been modified, are missing, or potentially compromised. Just wait a few seconds for the scan to complete. Once the scan is done, you'll see detailed results. This includes your installed WordPress version, the number of modified core files, and any missing files. If there are issues, you'll also get a full list of modified files with their exact paths, so you can investigate further. You'll also see the last checked timestamp, so you know when the scan was performed. If anything looks suspicious, you can fix it instantly. Click on Reinstall Core Files. CloudRaptor will download fresh core files from WordPress.org and replace only the core files. Your themes, plugins, uploads, and database will remain completely untouched. For better security, run integrity scans regularly, especially after updates. If you notice unexpected changes, investigate immediately and restore core files when needed. With this feature, your WordPress installation stays clean, verified, and protected against hidden modifications. And that's how to secure your WordPress application using CloudRaptor. Simple checks, powerful protection.